Do you ever look at your daughter and think, I want her to have a better life than me? You want her to speak English with confidently, but then you feel a small pain in your heart because your own English is not perfect. You think, how can I teach her if I don't know it myself? Guys, today I'm going to show you that you don't need to be a professor to help your daughter. You just need to be a mother. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Hana. Today is not math lesson, today is a heart lesson. I see so many mothers who stay silent because they are embarrassed. Remember this word. They want to help with homework, but they are afraid of making a mistakes in front of their child. But listen to me. Your daughter does not need a perfect teacher. She needs a partner. Learn together method. Here is my secret method. Stop teaching and start sharing. Instead of saying, learn this word, say, let's learn this word together. Step 1. The breakfast table. Don't say, nasta kar lo. Say, let's have breakfast. Even if your accent is not perfect, say it. Put small stickers on things in your house, mirror, door, chair. Every time you and your daughter look at the mirror, say it out loud together. This is how to build consistency. When your daughter sees you trying to speak English, she learns that it's okay to make mistakes. So here is your challenge for today. Today, when your daughter comes home, don't ask her about school in your native language. Just ask, how was your day? Even if that is the only English sentence you know, say it. And if you want to list of 10 easy sentences every mother should know, comment me daughter below. I will send them to you. Stand with me. Let's change our children's future. I hope you learned something meaningful today. I'll see you in the next one. And if you think this video is informative for you, please like this video and subscribe this channel.